How to use Kayak for business travel. In order to use the dedicated platform, sign up at the Kayak for Business website using the work email. The platform offers a consumer graded experiences with an added features for corporate travel management, such as policy compliance, approval workflow, and reporting. So what you want to do is open the Kayak app, log in and fill in the required travel details, name, date, birth, phone number, all that stuff to ensure a smooth booking and access for 24/7 agents supported. And you could also use the search function as you would like to on the standard Kayak site. The result will highlight the options that are in policy or out of policy according to your company's rule. So this way you should be able to use Kayak for business travel. Likewise, you could also go ahead and book directly within the Biz Plus plan, and you could book flight, hotels, and rental car directly on the platform, sometimes adding multiple items to your cart or single checkout for other platform as well. And you could also manage trips, expenses reporting as well. And this way you should be able to use Kayak for business travel. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.